Okay, so today we are going to talk about basic functions in Excel. And as I said, Excel is a very powerful tool when it comes to data analysis. And there are basic functions that can help you to statistically analyze your data. So this is a list of apples and the amount that was sold, right? So we just want to find the sum of all the sales, and after that we look at the count of all the sales, the average sale, the maximum sale, minimum sale, median, mode and standard deviation, and variance. All right, so to do that, Excel has some predefined functions that you can use, and to find the sum you just type, this is where we want the answer to appear. So in this cell we'll just type equal to sum into brackets, then we select the range that we want to sum. So we want to sum all the amount values, right? Then you close your parenthesis, then boom, enter. It gives you the sum of all the sales amounts, right? So it's very simple. To write a function, you first of all write equal sign, then followed by the function. So let's calculate or find the count of our sales. So you just type equal to count into brackets, you select the range, you close your bracket, then enter. So we had 12 sales count. So let's count to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. Okay, let's find the average sale. So equal to average, just type average, then into brackets, select the range, close your parenthesis, press enter. So our average sale is 42.5, right? So maximum, find the maximum, you just type equal to max. So you see, when you are typing, Excel will give you a suggestion of what the parentheses should have. So this is giving you a hint of what to choose. So you choose the numbers that you want to find, or you choose the series of numbers that you want to find the maximum value out of, right? So you select your range again, you close your bracket, then you press enter. This gives you the maximum sale amount. So when you look through your records, you see that 60 is the maximum sales amount, right? So to find the minimum, equal to min into brackets, you select your range, right? Close your brackets. So in selecting the range, you just click in the first cell, in the first amount cell, then you drag along to the last amount cell. After that you press enter. So here Excel is telling us that 20 is the least amount. Then to find the median gives you the value in the middle of your data set. So equal to median into brackets, you select the range, you close your brackets, enter. So the median number is 45. That is what Excel is telling us, right? So we want to look for the mode. Mode shows the value that occurs most frequently. So equal to mode into brackets, you select your range to see the amount of sales that occurred frequently, right? So it's 50. So 50, let's see, 50, we have 1 here, 2, then 3. So 50 appeared more in our sales. Right, then we can also calculate the standard deviation using equal to standard. Then with the standard deviation, there are different, you can choose to calculate the standard deviation based on population or based on the sample size. So we will just stick to based on population. So you select based on population, then into brackets you select your range. You close your brackets, then enter. So this is the standard deviation based on population. Right, then you come to variance. So standard deviation gives you the standard deviation based on either population or sample size. Then variance also gives you the variance based on the population or sample size. So you just type equal to VAR, then you choose whether you want to calculate based on the size or population. Let's stick to population. Into brackets you select your range. Select your range, you close your bracket, then Excel calculates the variance for you. So Excel is very handy, and you can use these basic functions to analyze your data quickly. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next class.